Welcome to Dr. Aidan's Guide to English Language. In the next few minutes, using examples from key texts, I will show you how to easily identify and analyse alliteration. Alliteration is a series of words with the same first consonant sound, occurring close together in either prose or poetry. It helps to connect words and ideas together. For example, in Wilfred Owen's Anthem for Doomed Youth, we read, "What passing bells for these who die as cattle? Only the monstrous anger of the guns. Only the stuttering rifle's rapid rattle can patter out their hasty orisons." Now, rather than give you one line, I've provided four, on the basis that you will most likely have to find alliteration amongst several lines of verse. So we're looking for words that are close to each other and which begin with the same letter. Here it is the letter R, rifle's rapid rattle. The alliteration makes this a highly memorable phrase that draws attention to the rapidity and the sound of the guns, which are the only orisons spoken for the dead. Orisons is another word for prayers. Now try this passage from Macbeth. Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from day to day, to the last syllable of recorded time, and all our yesterdays have lighted fools the way to dusty death. Again, we're looking for words that are close to each other and which begin with the same letter. And here we can see and hear alliteration on three letters. T, tomorrow, then P, petty pace, and then D, day to day and dusty death. The repetition of tomorrow gives us an idea of identical days, one following another. This is then reinforced by the repeated use of and. Now, this repetition of a conjunction, incidentally, is called polysyndeton. The phrase petty pace means slow and insignificant steps, and day to day echoes the sense of the tedious procession of time. And where do these tedious and insignificant days lead to? Nothing more than dusty death. So you can see here alliteration being used to convey the sense that Macbeth's life has not become glorious as he had hoped, but is a tedious succession of dull days leading to death and the body decomposing into dust. So I hope that this video will help you to identify and interpret alliteration in the plays, books and poems that you are reading or studying, and thank you for listening to Dr. Aidan's Guide to English Language. Give a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video and subscribe now so that you don't miss any of my future posts.